Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure Touch ID and a device passcode are ready. Open Settings, enroll at least one fingerprint under Touch ID and passcode, and set a secure passcode if you haven't. Once done, check Software Update and install the latest iOS so photos and notes locking features behave consistently. Make sure Touch ID Unlock is enabled for device unlock. Otherwise, fingerprint locks won't apply. Now you're ready to move images into a lockable container. Next, move the photos you want protected into a locked note. Open Notes, create a new note, tap the camera icon and add the photos. After saving, tap the three-dot or share icon and choose Lock Note, set or enter the note password, and enable Touch ID when prompted. Make sure Settings Notes Use Touch ID is on. This stores images inside an encrypted note that opens only with your fingerprint and the note password, keeping them out of the regular Photos view. Finish by deleting the originals from the Photos app and then emptying recently deleted so only the locked note retains the images. Verify you can open the locked note with your fingerprint and remember the note password as a fallback. If something goes wrong, like Touch ID not unlocking, go back to Settings, re-enable Touch ID for notes, and reboot the iPhone. This resolves most temporary authentication glitches. Always keep a secure backup elsewhere if you need to restore access later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.